Good morning, everyone. My name is Alejandro Franco Noreña, and today I'm going to talk to you about this important Edmodo tool. What is it? There is an important network, in order to communicate with your students and parents as well. It is a useful to implement in your classroom as a future teacher. As you have a group, it is useful to communicate, to get a rapport between the students and teacher as well. So here I'm going to show you how to enter or create a page or profile. So I have entered previously as a professor, if you wanted to enter as a student or familiar as well. I'm going to enter. I had previously created my profile, so let me enter. A second. Okay, I have a useful profile. As a professor, I have created or selected my classes or create a group. So previously I have created a group. What is my group? English 12. So how I am going to show my students to enter or join in this group. So I have to send this link or this code in order to the students join in my group. This is my group, Language Arts 9. So in this group I have those links, important links. First of all, it's about message, assignment or tasks that you as a professor want to do, and tests, yes, and tests or quizzes that you create to this group, and requests as well. So first of all, message. If you wanted to start welcome to students, you can do so. Just send in the group, and you can start with this kind of talking also about tasks. As you can create it the kind of task, maybe task 1, introduction. So you can design a schedule. For example, tomorrow I want to do my students do this kind of task. The description. So you tell the students introduce yourself, yes, so that the age, the names, ages, and expectations, yes, and so forth. So that's the first task. So you send the task, and you can find here the first task. So the students who join in this group are singing in this window. So look at this first task, and they do this kind of that kind of tasks. The next one is about the quizzes. Okay, I have a previous quizzes. Let me check it. So this is the first quiz. Maybe you can change their name of quiz. Maybe task 1, the story. And the first question was Jeffrey walking around the park. Okay, you can select the kind of options of the quizzes. Maybe right or false, short questions, fill in the gap. Yes, this is important. You make the kind of minutes of time that question is taken. Maybe 20 minutes or 10, whatever you want. What is about the score? Maybe this question, the score is 1, and I have another question. The sentence of question that you want, you can add how many, or whatever question that you want. You can add the link, or like a library, whatever. So you can select if this sentence is true or false. So that's your option. Okay, once you are finished this kind of quiz, you are ready, and that's it. And the students, okay, you have to add the group. Maybe you have another group, so for the parents or for the students as well, you can add and send this kind of quiz or task. Okay, then it is for tomorrow, for example. My class is it's at 7:30. So you have to option the schedule, whatever you want. Okay, that's it. That's your task or the first test or assignment that focus addressed to students, and that's it. It is useful tool to handle with kind of classrooms in another way. Let it draw up that kind of traditional classes. And there is another link about the requests. You can write a sentence on what you experience in this subject, and you have to answer whatever answer that you want, and you send it. Yes, and I think that it is a useful tool to find a lot of folders. In this folder you add or attach a lot of books, a lot of folders, stories, those environments that the students want to look for in order to improve their or acquire language or their knowledge. Here you can find the members. In this class, obviously, I don't have any students here, but in the top in this window you can find the classes, library, messages, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I think, or I hope that it is useful to you in your classrooms to implement in order to encourage your students' learning.